This is the first time we've been to Martin County Model Railroad Club train show in Stuart, Florida. We did this on January 20th, 2024. It was less than a 2-hour drive, and we did other things. This is another long one, so we got the vendors and then the G and O scale. And I'll do the rest of the Model Railroad Club layouts in the next video. So enjoy.
Okay.
Good morning. It is, what's today? The 20th. We're on our way to Stuart, Florida for Martin County Model Railroad Club train show. Okay, it's just under 2 hours to get there. We're going down 27 and then cutting over on 98, going through Okeechobee, and then 714 over to Stuart. 7:33, 51 degrees. It's only getting up to 60 today, and tonight it's supposed to get down in the 30s. So this is the first day we've had long pants on in 2 years. Oh, there's the concrete truck right there. They must have been over at the storage units. Okay, so boom. Spooky, huh? Well, this is winter time, and just imagine what this is like when there's all kind of leaves on these trees.
Yeah.
It'd be dark. Okay, here we are at Martin County Fairground, the train show. Okay, it's a long deal all the way down there. So we're gonna start looking around. Free magazines, take some. Okay. Model Railroader from 2003, O-Gauge, MTH, electric trains, NMRA, Steam from 53, 54. Alright, so there we go. Counter locomotives, all looks like DC. Yep. ATSF. Warehouser timber. $65 for that. Okay. Wanted train collections, one piece and or thousands, any scale, cash paid. All right. Good deal. Totes and rolling stock all over the place. A couple of train sets over there. Bachmans. All right. G scale. Bachman G scale. Kind of good stuff here, huh? Look at that. Look at that, look at that, huh? KJ Trains, you train sale. Make me an offer. I can't refuse, huh? Well, I can't believe Debbie passed this up already. Here's a bunch of N-scale buildings. And here's another corridor with more stuff. Got some Sweden. Okay, California Model Club, Wyoming Coal Mine, and Buckord Mine Ore Plant. All right, good deal. Got some HO. Starter kits over there. All right. O scale. Polar Express battery operated. Got some G scale stuff. O scale. MTH. Steam engine. U.S. Army. $225. All right, good deal. A lot of good stuff. A lot of cool stuff here. Old
We are open today from 10
stuff.
to 2. So if you
Lionel trains. Okay, let's get the whole place here. Get a view of all the tables. We've got a lot of Christmas buildings over there. Okay, there's a military museum. Talking about it over here. It's right down the road from here. Okay. Pennsylvania Railroad. All right. Well, let's see if Debbie found the N-scale stuff. I told her about it over here on the left-hand side. I'll see where she's hanging out. I don't see her yet. There's Debbie coming out of the restroom, and you can see the signals from the CSX line right behind here. Say hello, Debbie. All the way around, huh? Oh boy. Okay, here goes the G-scale stuff. Okay, baby, I'll be up there in a second. Here, let me get this real quick, baby. I didn't get this one yet. There's the ladies. The Martin County Model Railroaders. There you go. Did you see the N-scale stuff over there on that one table? They had a bunch of buildings.
No, I didn't see it where.
Yeah, right around the corner there. Debbie's favorite place, Habitat for Humanity Restore. Okay, here we go. Well, you know, Debbie always has to go to Habitat for Humanity Restore, and after that we hit Hobby Lobby in the next town up, and I bought a few things, and we'll show that in the Monday Night Live stream. Debbie got something also. I didn't buy anything, but Debbie got a building for her N-scale layout. So, until the next time, we'll see you and have fun at those train shows.